Welcome back to my corner. Today is Holika Dahan, also known as Choti Holi. But have you ever asked yourself why do we celebrate Holika Dahan? Who was Holika and what is the real meaning behind this festival? So today I will explain the full story. It's important in Hindu culture and the powerful life lesson hidden behind it. So watch till the end. So let's start. What is Holika Dahan? Holika Dahan is celebrated one day before Holi. Alright. On this day, on this day, people light a bonfire at night and symbolize the victory of good over evil. This tradition comes from an ancient story mentioned in Hindu spirituals. The story behind Holika Dahan, long ago, there was a powerful demon king named Hiranyakashipu. He wanted everyone to worship him as a god, but his own son Prahlad was great devoted of Lord Vishnu. Despite many warning, Prahlad continued to worship Vishnu. Hiranyakashipu became very angry. He tried many times to kill Prahlad, but he failed every time because Prahlad's faith was strong. Finally, he asked his sister Holika for help. And whose was a Holika? Holika had a magical boon. She had a special shawl that protected her from fire. So the plan was Holika would sit in fire with Prahlad in her lap. Prahlad would burn and Holika would remain safe. But something unexpected happened because Prahlad had true devotion and pure faith. Lord Vishnu protected him. The shawl flew from Holika and converted Prahlad instant. Holika burned in the fire and Prahlad survived. So this is very big thing. And what does this symbolize? The story teach us evil can never win permanently. Faith and truth are always protected. Arrogance destroy itself. Holika represented ego, pride, and misuse of power. But Prahlad represented faith, innocence, and devotion. That is why we burn Holika every year to burn negativity inside us. And why is Holika Dahan important in Hindu culture? Holika Dahan is not just a ritual. It is a reminder that good always wins, a symbol of spiritual cleansing. A celebration of faith is positivity. People gather around the fire and pray for removal of negativity, protection from evil, uh, pro, it also makes the end of winter and the arrival of spring a new beginning. The life lesson was, now listen to me carefully, this is most important part. Holika Dahan teach us a very powerful lesson, which is burn your ego, burn your anger, burn your jealousy and negativity, just like Holika burned in the fire. We should burn our bad habit, and just like Pehla survived because of faith, we should keep faith in truth and godness. In today's world, people may insult you, people may doubt you, people may try to pull you down. But if your intention are pure, you will always be protected. And that is the real meaning of Holika Dahan and the celebration holy with color. Okay, the next event. Then why? Because after burning negativity, life becomes colorful and joyful. So first we remove darkness, then we celebrate happiness. This is beautiful message from all of us. And for I think this is enough. And before ending, so when you see the Holika fire, don't just see flames. It is as a new start, a new mindset, a new positive version of yourself, and ask yourself why negativity do I want to burn in this year. Let's this Holika Dahan bring peace in your heart, strength in your life, and positivity in your journey. Happy Holika Dahan to all of you. And if you like this meaningful explanation, please like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.